Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best swivel TV tray table is probably one of the most versatile and convenient pieces of furniture you can add to your living space, offering a stable and adjustable surface for a variety of activities right from the comfort of your couch or favorite armchair, making it an indispensable item for anyone looking to maximize their relaxation and productivity without compromising on style or space. Number 5. Vaunn Medical Adjustable Overbed Table with Wheels. This overbed table is designed to help individuals with physical limitations perform daily tasks with ease. It's a highly recommended solution for use in hospitals and clinics. Easily adjust the height of the table from 29.5 to 40.5 inches with just one hand. The hydraulic mechanism ensures smooth and effortless movement. Constructed from heavy-gauge, chrome-plated steel, this table offers enhanced stability and is easy to sanitize. The base slides easily under most beds and wheelchairs. The walnut wood-grain laminated top features a raised lip to contain spills, protecting your belongings. Cleaning is quick and efficient. Effortlessly move it around with smooth rolling, dual-wheel casters. Locking mechanisms ensure stability when needed, and assembly is a simple 4-step process. What we like? This one offers unparalleled ease of use with its one-handed infinite height adjustment. If you are recovering from an injury or have limited mobility, this is designed to make your daily tasks effortless. Its robust construction ensures stability and hygiene, making it ideal for long-term care needs. What people say. The tray table is easy to assemble and adjust. It's sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. The swivel feature makes it convenient to use from different positions. Number 4. HUANUO Adjustable TV Tray Table. Discover the ultimate solution for small spaces. This lightweight tray table is incredibly practical, perfect for use on your couch, by your bed, or even with a wheelchair. Easily adjust the height and tilt to find your most comfortable position. Work or relax without straining your neck or back, ensuring a perfect viewing or working experience every time. Enjoy a generous tabletop that provides ample space for your meals, laptop, or snacks. Its stable design with non-slip pads ensures it stays securely in place. Set it up in minutes and fold it away easily for convenient storage. It tucks neatly beside your furniture, saving you valuable space. Keep your drinks secure with the handy cup holder. It's designed to prevent spills, making it easier to enjoy your beverage while you dine or work. If your tray isn't perfectly level, a simple adjustment to the tilt bar ensures it sits flat. Enjoy a stable surface for all your activities. What we like? Looking for ultimate comfort and convenience while you relax? This tray table provides multiple tilt angles for perfect viewing and a handy cup holder to prevent spills. If you enjoy dining or working from your couch or bed and want to avoid messes, this is the perfect companion for your leisure time. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, with a smooth finish that is easy to clean. It's adjustable in height and angle, making it perfect for various activities like eating, working, or crafting. The swivel feature allows for easy access and repositioning without having to move the entire table. Number 3. PJ Wood Folding TV Tray Set. Introducing the PJ Wood Folding TV Tray Set, designed for your ultimate TV watching comfort. Enjoy your meals or work from the couch with ease. No assembly required. Simply unfold and it's ready to go. It's the perfect companion for your food or laptop, making any space your workspace. Crafted from solid rubber wood with a sleek black finish, this set of 2 offers both durability and simple elegance. Enjoy more space and convenience. Its collapsible design makes storage a breeze. Keep your living space tidy when not in use, providing a practical solution for your needs. This folding end table perfectly balances utility and comfort. It's ideal for enjoying a meal or working from home, measuring 19.09 L x 14.57 W x 25.98 H. Keep your trays organized and accessible with the included storage rack. It's designed for your satisfaction and convenience. What we like? Need a simple, elegant solution for dining while watching TV? This set of 2 tables, made from solid rubber wood, comes fully assembled and ready to use. If you often find yourself needing an extra surface for meals or snacks and appreciate quick, no-fuss setup, this pair offers great value and convenience. What people say. The Swivel TV Tray Table is a great addition to my living room. It is very sturdy and easy to assemble. I love how the Swivel TV Tray Table can be adjusted to different heights and angles, making it perfect for watching movies or working on my laptop. The design of the Swivel TV Tray Table is sleek and modern, and it fits in well with my existing furniture. Number 2. TableMate Ultra Folding TV Tray Table. Introducing the ultimate TV tray table from the original experts. It's lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, designed to hold up to 40 pounds with durable steel legs and a food-grade polypropylene top. Experience features you won't find anywhere else. Our unique cup holder adjusts to any angle, preventing spills, while the built-in device holder keeps your phone or tablet secure. Enjoy personalized comfort with 18 possible configurations. It easily adjusts to 6 heights and 3 angles, ensuring you can read, eat, or work without straining. Pull it closer with ease. The legs slide smoothly under couches and chairs, and the unique design means no obstructive crossbars. No tools are needed for assembly. When you're done, simply fold it flat for compact storage, making it perfect for any living space. What we like? For the tech-savvy individual who loves multitasking from their sofa, this tray table is a game-changer. It features a dedicated device holder and a comfortable, adjustable design with no obstructive crossbar. If you need a stable surface for your phone or tablet while eating or working, this offers a seamless and comfortable experience. What people say. The table is easy to assemble and adjust. It's sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. The swivel feature is very convenient for accessing items. Number 1. PJ Wood Espresso 5-Piece TV Tray Table Set. Enjoy ultimate convenience with this versatile 5-piece folding table set. It's perfect for meals, snacks, or simply relaxing while watching your favorite shows. Setting up is a breeze. Just pull a table from the rack, expand it, and it's ready to use in seconds. Enjoy instant functionality in any room. Crafted from sturdy, solid wood, this set is built to last. You can rely on its durable construction for all your needs. When not in use, simply collapse each tray table and store them neatly in the included rack. Keep your space organized with easy, upright storage. Each table offers a generous flat surface, perfect for holding meals, drinks, or even your laptop. They provide a comfortable height for all your activities. What we like? If you frequently entertain or simply want a complete, organized solution for your living space, this 5-piece set is ideal. It includes multiple sturdy, solid wood tables and a convenient storage rack. For those who value having readily available surfaces for guests or family, and appreciate tidy storage, this set provides excellent functionality and style. What people say. The tray is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It's adjustable and can be used in different ways. The swivel feature is very convenient for accessing the tray. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.